What's poppin', Playboys? Welcome back to the channel. For the people who live in South Florida, you guys know how it felt for like the past couple of days. It was just like, it just felt good. And today, wait, what today is? Today is the 10th, the Friday, and it feels good outside, but it looks like it's gonna rain. And I don't want it to rain today because that's gonna mess up my whole video. Like, it looked like it wants to rain, but it doesn't look like it wants to rain. Like, I don't know. And it's windy. It's windy as hell. But it's just, I don't know. I hope it doesn't rain because then there'll be no point of this video. But yeah, I didn't come to watch this video for me to talk about the weather. So let's jump into the video. So I have this box here and you guys are probably wondering what the hell's inside the box. The box says it's from Walmart, but the thing inside of it is not from Walmart. But I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of it in a couple seconds. But first, let's go look at the SI. Because I don't know if a lot of people seen this video, but my last, like, I think, not my last video, but the video before my last video, I changed up the wheel color on the SI. So if you guys haven't seen that, click the link right here. Well, click that, whatever you call this, click that card right there so you guys can go watch it. But this is how the SI is sitting right now, looking beautiful in its natural state under this ugly freaking sunny Florida. I don't even know what this is. This bipolar Florida weather. All right, now I can show you guys what's inside the box. So this is a mod I've been wanting for the longest, and I finally got it. Well, I had it for a while now, probably like 2-3 months now, but now I'm actually, you know, revealing it to you guys and show you guys what it is. So if you guys knew, I've been wanting this manifold for the longest. As you guys can see, I did purchase me an RBC manifold. It's not in the best condition, as you guys can see. I got it used for like 180 bucks or 170 bucks, something like that. And it's pretty good condition, but like the look of it is ugly. Yeah, that thing ugly. Look at that, what the hell? But yeah, pick me up an RBC, and now I just need to go get the few other parts to put it on the car. But in today's video, we're gonna be cleaning it up, and then we're gonna be changing the color of it to wrinkle black. Always wanted to do a wrinkle black manifold on this car, so yeah, man, we're gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it, and also gonna show you guys how I wrinkle black it. So let's get it. Alright guys, so the way I'm gonna clean my RBC, I'm gonna use this thing called Purple Power. You can get this at AutoZone for like $5, $6, or you go to Walmart and get it for like $5, I think. So yeah, it's really cheap and it's pretty big, so this should be good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray this on the manifold, which is right here. Spray it on the manifold and then let it sit for a little bit. Then I'm gonna get my toothbrush, any bristle brush, any brush I can use, and I'm gonna scrub it. Also have this thing I could clean inside the cylinders. So I said the cylinders, I don't even know what it's called. The runners, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get it. Alright guys, so I got the manifold pretty much cleaned down. I didn't spray it yet with water, but it's pretty clean. I put it inside a bucket and I scrubbed inside. I don't know if you guys can really see that well. Nah, you guys can't see that. I don't even know how to show you guys that. But like, inside is really clean. I'm trying to show you guys, but there's no sun today, so it's really hard to show you guys. But yeah, it's pretty clean. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit it with some high pressure water for the pressure washer I have right here. And yeah, just make sure I take out all that, the greaser and stuff, make sure it's completely like thoroughly washed, so I could pepper it for some paint and get this thing wrinkled black. This thing gonna look so good wrinkled black, oh my gosh. Well, but yeah, let's get it started because it's getting really windy out here and it's annoying.
5 minutes later.
Call me Captain Zoovie. Y'all probably wondering like why the hell I got these glasses on, but I had them on so I want to get the water in my eyes, and I didn't want no paint flying in my eyes and all this stuff. So yeah, anyways, manifold's clean. I power washed it. So next step is to dry it off and prep it for some powder coating. Wait, what? Prep it for some wrinkle black. What the hell am I talking about powder coating? I ain't got no money. Alright guys, so I got the RBC masked off and dried off and all that good, you know, stuff that you do before you prep something. And this is how it's sitting. Sitting pretty nice, boy. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Looking pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job. If you guys didn't know, if you use a penny, you can get the size of the holes right here. And if you use a quarter, you get the same size of injector holes right there. So yeah, that's what I used to mask off, those little small holes. So pretty much everything that I think needs to be masked off is masked off. Throttle body's masked off, vacuum lines, cooling hoses, all that stuff is masked off. So yeah, I think I'm good. I think we're good to go. I think it's time to hit it with the first coat of primer. So what I'm gonna be using to do that is you know, Duplicolor. I bought this at, I think I bought this at Advanced Auto, and this was pretty expensive. I think it was like $12 or $11. And then I bought this at AutoZone for 15. No, not 15. Like 12 or something like that. So yeah, kind of expensive for some damn paint, but whatever. So yeah, let's get this primed, and then I'll show you guys what it look like. Well, alright, so here's a few coats that I did to the RBC, and as you guys can see, it laid out pretty flat and came out pretty good. One thing I love about engine paint is that it dries up like really quick, so like I could just touch this and throw it around if I want to. But yeah, it dried up pretty quick. Primer's on. Now we're gonna try to put the wrinkle black, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to put that on. So when I'm putting wrinkle black, I recommend you guys heat up your cans. It helps lay out the paint a little bit smoother, and it's also easier to work with because it's not going to splatter every time you spray. So just heat up your can a little bit. If you don't have a heat gun, you always can boil some water and put your can in the water. But I'm using the heat gun for a little bit, and yeah, heat it up for a couple seconds. So of course you're going to do your little pre-spray. Alright, and let's get it. So the first coat I'm going to do is going to be horizontal. So basically what you want to do is horizontal, vertical, and then diagonal, and then yeah, do that. Change it up each time you spray. Don't spray two ways. I don't really know how to explain this. Don't spray twice the same way. Spray once. So every time you spray, it's gonna be a different direction. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna go. What side we're gonna go again? Horizontal. So that's my horizontal spray. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna hit it with vertical. Alright guys, so this is how the RBC is looking right now. I did my vertical, my horizontal, and my diagonal sprays. And also did something called crosshatch, which is on the back of the can, which is pretty much an X. And once you do that, if you guys have a heat gun, this will be your best friend. You can use the heat gun to dry off the RBC manifold, and it'll give it a better texture. And also, like I don't even know if you guys can see that, but right there it's starting to form, and I've been using a heat gun on it. It's starting to form. So yeah, use your heat gun if you guys have one. If you don't have one, you can use a blow dryer, and yeah man, it'll come out pretty nice and pretty clean.
My nigga.
Boy oh boy, this RBC came out pretty damn clean. I wish we had some sun right now so I could get some better shots, but there's no sun and it's not even late. But yeah man, RBC came out beautiful. Like yo, it looks good. This is exactly how I wanted it. some parts look a little bit more wrinkled than others because I didn't sand down the top of the manifold. So these parts are flat, but this part already has like a wrinkle finish to it, I guess you could say. So yeah, but anyways, I like it. It looks pretty good. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys, don't try to take off the like sockets, not the sockets, but don't try to take off the what am I trying to say? Don't try to take off the masking tape while it's drying. I thought I'd be able to take it off, but I actually messed up. But I fixed it. You guys could kind of see it. I had put a finger mark there, so like I tried to cover it up, and it didn't really cover it up too well, but it's not noticeable. And yeah, man, obviously came out pretty damn clean. But this is where I'm gonna end off the video because it's getting pretty late. Well, it's not really getting late, it's just getting really dark really quick, and I think it's gonna rain pretty soon. So yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys like what you guys seen, if you guys want to know where to go buy this paint, just let me know. I can like tell you guys where. You can go to Walmart, AutoZone, any place that sells like paint you can really go to. You can even go to a place called Sherman-Williams if you guys have one. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Your boy finally hit the 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 1,000, almost 1,200 now, and I feel good because you know, 2020 is the only way I'm going is up. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. Boys out. Peace.